Hello, everyone. The video shows how to connect yiluproxy dynamic IP on BlueStacks Android emulator. Firstly, select a proxy IP type. Then select a country, state, and city. Select the first IP information format, and set the number of generating IPs. Refresh. You need to install an app such as V2RAYNG to manage proxy settings. Run V2RAYNG app on BlueStacks Android emulator. Click plus icon. Select socks type. Enter a proxy configure file name. Copy and paste IP, port, username, and password. Click icon to save. Select the added proxy. Click V to connect the proxy. Test proxy. Open Chrome browser to test IP address. We can enter iplocation.com to check IP address. The IP location is consistent with the selected location in yiluproxy client. epinfo.io can also help you check IP address. The result is the same as before. Okay, the video is over. Thank you for watching and subscribing.